Where the heck did I leave my ratchet? Oh, there it is. How silly of me.
Oh man, you want that peanut butter interior? I got you. Got that real BMW, real peanut butter.
This
You didn't say that's going on a four-wheel drive. No.
This customer tried fixing the engine shield noise by securing it with a screw directly into the oil pan.
It's about to start my unit. We're gonna check the oil first. Oh shit. That's weird. Let's turn that off. Let's check in here. See if there's any oil in here. Yep. Oh yeah. Okay, we definitely got oil. Ready to go? So this customer didn't realize that there was anything wrong until his airbags blew up, right? Found out that the height sensor, or no, it's in the splash zone, height sensor is not working anymore. But you know, the shocks are blown out and leaking, and most importantly, upper control arms completely blown off. It's kind of crazy. I always wonder how people don't even realize what's going on behind them. The whole rest of the truck's in decent shape though. It's got that going for it, which is nice.
This customer pushed their Ford 1.0 EcoBoost for over 35,000 miles without bothering with an oil change, and even ignored the low oil pressure warning. The technician discovered broken timing belt pieces clogging the oil pump strainer, resulting in critically low oil pressure. The engine overheated and eventually seized up.
Customer states, vehicle makes a rotational noise while turning at a high speed. Well, bud, I ain't no expert, but I don't think your wheel's supposed to be riding along your stabilizer bar. Yeah. Or hitting your control arm. I mean, come on, dude.
Do it low. Oh, that looks a bit weird.
There it goes.
Exhaust fell off.
You go with the yeah. I think she's broken.
Yeah. All right.
What? How did that get here?
Damn, dude.
How did that get here?
Does it? Wonder what's gonna happen when that airbag deploys right at you.
Guess I might be a little too lazy. I won't even fix that, but you know, good thing I got one of these bad boys right here.
Check out what this guy received from AliExpress after ordering an accessory belt for his car.
Alright, so the driver said his truck keeps cutting off every time, right after he filled up. I mean, that's pretty clear for diesel. But, this is a sample I just took. See what happens. Yeah, it's not diesel.
Who needs motor mounts? Nobody needs motor mounts. All right, go ahead and hit it.
Look at the state of this.
Custom install, boys. Look at that bad boy. Let's check it out. Got the big screens.
This semi-truck driver faced a double trouble scenario. Not one, but two check engine lights appeared on the dash.